Hey Mom, it's me.
They are nice.
Whoa. I'm filming.
Okay.
Do you want to say hi to Mom? This is for Mom.
Huh?
This is for Mom. Do you want to say hi?
Okay. Hi, we're down filming some fireworks. Draven's been a good boy this week.
She means this year.
Well, no, this week. That's close enough. Oh, that's pretty.
This is so awesome. I'm gonna go on the beach. Oh my God. Can you hear the ocean? Whoa! That's the ocean. Nah, you can't see that, I know. Well, that's it. You like it? Thank you. I got a little battery. I don't know why. I hope it's not going to fail on me. Should be enough though. Ooh! Those are some boats. Oh no, you can't see. There's a drone in the sky. See that light? That's a little drone. That's our neighborhood. I think that's it. I want to start heading back. That's Shand. Shand Hotel. Whoa. No, it's
I
not.
think there's like waterfall ones. Yeah, they're pretty.
Whoa!
Isn't that beautiful?
Whoa!
Oh, that's pretty too, huh?
It all comes out white. Watch.
Hold
See?
it still.
Watch.
Oh yeah, it does. I don't know why.
I think it's because it's night.
Maybe.
Say hi, Jackie.
Hi, Jackie.
No, my hair looks horrible.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. I get rained on.
Well, I already got your picture.
Fireworks, honey.
No, I'm taking pictures and stuff. sweetie. Boom, 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 boom. It's like an explosion, like we're at war right now. It's like we're at war right now. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god.
They look like they're coming right at us.
Boom. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh. It's a cow sign. Bounce, ga bounce, ga bounce, bounce, ga bounce, ga. I love how they do that. They start as one, then they go as many. See? Boom, 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 boom.
Usually do that at the end.
Maybe it might be close.
Yeah.
Whoa! Bow now 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 bow now 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 bow now 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 now. This is so awesome, right?
Yep, it's awesome.
Can't believe you said that. Whoa. This is better than the 4th of July ones. My heart is going with the beats.
Wow. That was beautiful.
That was awesome.
That was. Now you're getting in the shower, kiddo.
All right. Are you sure it's over?
I told him earlier something was living in his hair and he's going, what? I said, I
like,
know there's something living in here. Oh, I thought they were done.
No, they were just getting more fireworks. I knew they were just getting more fireworks.